welcome back to my channel. I'm actually woke up this morning kind of feeling energized. I enjoy watching these kind of videos, so why not? Today we're going to be cleaning my living room. So I'm going to show you an overview of how it looks right now. I actually did start cleaning a little bit before, and then I was like, why don't I do a video like this? But yeah, so it's messy, but not as messy as it was before. So let me show you. So the table's really dirty. I need to fix all this where it goes. This place is the biggest mess that I got so far. So yeah. And then I have to clean this carpet because it looks disgusting. This should be interesting and kind of fun. So I started using recently the Mayors Clean Day. And honestly, this works on like a lot of surfaces. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about it. It's really like popular right now, and so I just use it in the lavender scent. And yeah, I love the smell. I love how it cleans, and so I use it for mostly everything in my house. And I honestly just put it in a bottle just because this, I feel like it's like too hard for me to use, and it doesn't have a spray bottle thing for it, so I just use this. I normally use a cloth, but right now I'm washing them, so I'm using a paper towel. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I try not to have a lot of like small decorations just so it doesn't get too messy. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell to get notified for new videos. Remember, I am posting 2 videos a week, so keep an eye out for that, and see you next time. Bye.